Hi and welcome on the Hands on Time. So the topic of today is about this watch. This watch is coming to us from China. It is a brand that is called Guanqin, okay, or in Chinese Guanqin. They are active since, as you can see, 1989, and this is accurate because they are doing like some homages of IWCs and putting some dates there that are just nonsense, but that one is accurate. Okay, they are truly active since 1989, and they are a real watch. It's a real watch company. They are making only watches. So yeah, Guanqin. The cost, how much did I pay for this watch? So I paid less than 20 euros for this watch, 18 euros point something, okay? So yeah, pretty cheap for a watch as beautiful as this one. The specs. What are the specs for this watch? So let's start by the bracelet. The buckle here on the bracelet looks like it is stainless steel, and you have the Guanqin logo on it. Okay, so it is supposedly a genuine leather, as you can see here. If yeah, there you go. I have some problem with the zoom. There you go. Genuine leather. The size of the bracelets, it's 20. It's written here. Okay, and you have the Guanqin logo on the other part of the strap. It is leather, okay, but made of a poor quality. It is the leather that you would be able to find on low-end Seiko, you know, same type of quality. Well, it does the job. What else can I say? The case size. Let's go with the case size. The case size is 4215, so 42 for the case. Okay, the thickness would be, I know that it stands pretty high, sadly, 13, okay, for the thickness of the case, 20 for the strap, you already saw it, and what else can I say? Mineral crystal, okay, the crystal on this watch is mineral, it's no, there is no sapphire crystal, okay, doesn't pretend to have sapphire. What else can I say? In the back, I suspect that this is a Tangi movement, so it's a 21 jewel one. Let me focus it for you. 21 jewel design, as you can see, and it is I think a Tangi movement. So the Tangi movement is the movement of the Popular Republic of China. In the past, China wanted to have one movement, and they created the Tangi movement. You have different kind and types of Tangis. This one is good because you can find some that aren't. Okay, so that one is good. Works with a rotor that turns pretty well. Okay, to recharge the watch. As you can see, it's already running, but you can also hand winding. So I'm gonna hand wind it a little bit for the purpose of the video. And I don't know how much the watch runs, but for the Tangi movements, it's pretty much 36 hours all the time. Okay, it's always 36 hours. Maybe that one is 40 hours. I don't know. Okay, so what else can I say? You have Lume applied on the hands. So you have Lume applied on the hour hand, on the minute hand, and on that little, you see, that little 20-hour wheel, you have some Lume applied as well. You have a day and night complication. This is not a moon phase complication, it's just a day and night complication. This 24-hour wheel and this open heart, okay? It's not a tourbillon, okay? The tourbillon is something else. It's not a flying wheel. This is something else. This is just an open heart. That's how it is called, okay? But for less than $19 or euros, it depends on where you stand, it's crazy what you get, honestly. So yeah, I think that's it for the specs. The good and the bad. So what's good about this watch? Everything. The cost first. Crazy what you get for less than 19 euros. Crazy. Beautiful watch. Classical design, you know. Really crazy. The dial is well made. I love the complications. The day and night complications is wonderful. Let me show you. Boom. It's not hackable, so you see it turns. Now it's the day. Now it's the day. And we are going to the night, you see. Now there are stars and the moon, a moon crescent. So this is for the night. And the little 24-hour wheels follows the hours. You see, it goes with it. Okay. So yeah, that's really cool, and the design and the open heart, everything. It's a really cheap, casual or dress watch that is actually beautiful. So what are the bad things about it? Well, it stands a little high. 13, millimeters of thickness is a little high. You're going to see it on the wrist shot, and not everything is well aligned, as you can see. Here on the 6, you see that the cube on the second markers is not like super well aligned, even in here on the 7th. Okay, but that does not bother me. It's readable and it gives an accurate time. The movement inside is really good as well. The Tongji inside responds really well. Okay, so I think that's it. That's pretty much it. And the case is stainless steel. I forgot to say. Okay, stainless steel for the case. How do I wear this watch? This watch I would wear in casual times or with a suit. You can wear this watch with a suit. I've done a video about this watch in the past, and I was saying that I wouldn't wear it with a suit. I was wrong. You can wear this watch with a suit. It does a pretty good job. That could be your only watch. You could wear it with a suit. You could wear this watch in a casual, chic types of outfits, and even in casual times, it does pretty much all. So there you go for the wrist shots. So I wear my watches behind the bone, after the bone, okay? 17 centimeters of circumference after the bone for my wrists. And look, it looks pretty. It looks pretty, that's all. It looks truly beautiful. It stands a little bit high, as I told you, 13 millimeters. But you can rock it as a dress watch. And there you go. 17 centimeters of circumference on my wrist. It looks like that. Really nice and comfortable. Beautiful watch from Guanqin. And there you go for the Lume, guys. So you see the Lume applied on the hour hand, applied on the minute hand, and applied on that little wheel, 24-hour wheel. As you can see, not the craziest Lume I've seen in my life. Looks better on the hour, less on the minute hand, but it's not too bad. And for the price, it's not. That does not bother me, at all. So there you go for the Lume. So let's take a moment. You see the open heart, the day and night complication, the 24-hour circle or wheel, the pattern of the dial, beautiful, the ensemble, the sides, the movement, interior of the movement. Yeah, really nice. So what are my final thoughts about this watch? Well, if you're on the market for an all-purpose watch, you don't have a lot of money, go for it. If you need a watch a good watch, reliable and automatic that you would wear with a suit, go for it. If you are on the market for a casual watch, go for it as well. This truly does the job in every would do the job in every corner of your life. It's a wonderful watch. I had it since like 2 years now, and I love this watch. Beautiful watch. So if you like what you saw, subscribe, like, comment. If you want to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee. Okay, the link is in the description. So take care of you, take care of your families, take care of your friends. Be well, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.